Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So, I'm doing something different this week. This week I will be using the mini vertical as my catch-all planner because if you guys saw yesterday's video, I used the dashboard layout for social media just to give it a try and see if it's something that would be, you know, would work for me. So, I'm just looking to see if I have what I need. Okay, oops. So, what I will be doing this week in all of my planners is decorating with Grow with Goals and these florals. And I'm going to just experiment to see if this this layout will work for me for my catch-all. All right, let's get started. Okay, I'm kind of scared. I'm a little bit scared as to whether or not this will work out, but I have planned in a mini vertical before as like a catch-all, so let's see. Now, what I'm thinking of doing is maybe having to-do lists on each page, and I feel like I'm going to prefer to what I've had done this week, just so I can get a better idea of what my actual tasks are. And that's the thing. I'll have to keep track of like dinner somewhere, and I won't be keeping track of my steps and calories in here because I'll keep track of it in my fitness planner. Okay, so there's these, which could work. I'm going to go ahead and actually put to-do lists down first. So let's see. Because I don't think there's really boxes from here that would fit too well. So first things first is I'm going to go very functional with this and see. And I can't find my X-Acto knife anywhere. Oh, there it is. Holy crap. I just put it in the wrong pencil bucket from IKEA. Okay. Yeah, Karina's having a day. We'll do purple for the next one. And the thing is, I probably don't need to-do lists for every single day. But it'll just be nice to have them. And then Wednesday I'll do a darker purple. And I won't really put any on Thursday. Cut it down to fit. Oops, I cut a bit too much off there. Okay, so far I actually like that. Thursday, I actually didn't mind picking up the groceries at night, so I might do that again. But how would I do that? Oh, I could use these to mark off anything. So, and then Friday, I don't have any tasks for the Friday, but let's put a to-do list down anyway. I'm actually going to do that for every day. I'm going to put down a to-do list. And I'm looking ahead to next weekend. And I don't think, oh, that's the darker one. I don't think we have any major events happening next weekend, so it really is about cleaning or anything else that comes up. And then I will put black on the last one. Oh, I totally cut those weird. Actually, I'll just use another gray. Make sure I'm actually cutting it where I should be flush with the line rather than taking too much off. See, that one worked out well. Okay. So far, I actually like that. Now, I will put, oops, so organized. I will put dinners up here actually. So what I'm gonna do is how do I want to do that? Is there anything that I could put on the side? Not goal achieved, not work. Nice work. Maybe the pen, actually. This little pen up here, and that'll be for dinners. That will go down here. And then I could actually still put my steps down here, couldn't I? So, or I could use one of these daily goals to say that I've gotten over those. So let's see. Goal getter. I don't know. I so far don't like that. Okay. So then, so basically what's going to go in each day is just what I have to do on a day-to-day basis. And then here will go the dinners for the week. So then I feel like I could do a little bit of decorating now. And I could literally just place this right across here. And then another floral. I'm going to cut this one in half. And just place it like so. And place this one like this. So there's a variety in what you see in terms of how the florals are put down. Hold on a second, I'm looking at something on the other page. Oh, I forgot to cut that. There. Then on here, keep forgetting where the camera is. Here, I feel like these are the best times to try and add these now. Just to add a little bit of color. Okay, let me see if there's a quote that I can put here. But I also want to add maybe a flag for possibly something, actually definitely in the evening, because we have our movie nights in the evenings. And I think that's all. But then now I can put down a really nice quote at the bottom. I like this, your potential is endless. And I'm going to grab a floral first and see if I can't cut this floral in half and put that at the bottom. Like this. And then just like that. Oh, I like that. And then do the same up here. And find another quote to just put up there. And I actually feel like I should put quotes here too. Although, I mean, now that that's there, I feel like I could put a box for, what's it called? My steps and calories burned. I feel like I could do that, although that would definitely not be a big enough box. What do you guys think? No, it wouldn't be a big enough box. Something I'll have to think about. But I mean, I already keep track. Oh, I already keep track of how many steps I do in my, what is it called? Fitness planner. So I don't feel like I need to do it again. Okay. Oh, come on. Keep up the great work. And it's actually looking really good, considering. So maybe do an OMG. Actually, put that down here. I'm going to put a coffee. There is another coffee time one. How come they don't put just all the coffee stickers together? And I'm going to put another coffee o'clock here because actually I'm not working next week, thank goodness. But I feel like coffee o'clock would work actually on a Sunday because we do have a lot of cleaning to do on Sundays. Okay, guys, wow. I'm actually pretty happy with that. So the way that it's going to work is like my regular to-do lists are going to go in those, and that really isn't going to cover any specific time. It's just the way that it will work. And then any actual things we have to do on that day are going to be listed with the flags. So what I'm going to be doing then is in my after the pen video, I will show you guys how I fill this out on a day-to-day basis. All right, so I'm still a little scared as to whether or not this is going to work out, but so far I really like the way that it looks. It's very clean, it's very simple, kind of like the way that I did my dashboard. So if this layout continues to work for me, I may switch from, you know, this as my everyday catch-all and then the dashboard as my social media planner. Who knows? All right, but that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.